An egg is an organic vessel grown from an animal to carry a potentially fertilized egg, zygote, and to incubate the embryo within the egg until the embryo develops into a viable animal fetus, in this case the animal hatcheries. Most arthropods, such as insects, vertebrates, excluding living mammals, and mollusks, lay eggs, although some, such as scorpions, do not. The eggs of reptiles, birds, and monotremes are laid in water and surrounded by a flexible or inflexible protective sheath. Eggs laid on the ground or in nests are usually kept in a warm and benign temperature range while the embryo is growing. When the embryo is properly developed, it hatches, i.e., breaks out of the egg's shell. Some embryos have a temporary egg tooth they use to crack, pip, or break the eggshell or covering. 1. High-quality protein. Boiled eggs are high-protein foods. Since proteins are the building blocks of our bodies, they play a critical role in maintaining muscle and tissue strength and repair. One boiled egg contains roughly 6.3 g of protein. Research shows that the protein in boiled eggs has significant benefits as it contains all 9 essential amino acids. These acids support muscle growth, recovery, and maintenance. Other meals can of course contain more protein, but the superior quality of the egg protein is second to none. Plus, boiled egg protein can accelerate weight loss, muscle building, blood pressure control, and bone health. 2. Contains good cholesterol. Boiled eggs contain a lot of cholesterol. A single egg has 212 milligrams, which is far more than half of the daily recommended intake of 300 milligrams. However, dietary cholesterol doesn't equate to higher blood cholesterol. High-density lipoprotein, HDL, or good cholesterol, increases after eating boiled eggs. However, there is not enough evidence to show their effect on the risk of heart disease. Studies show that the liver produces significant amounts of cholesterol. However, the liver produces low cholesterol when you eat eggs. So everything evens out. The form of cholesterol that threatens the heart is low-density lipoprotein, LDL, sometimes referred to as bad cholesterol. However, when it comes to raising your LDL cholesterol risk, eggs are not the culprit. In addition, eggs consistently raise HDL, good cholesterol, levels. Several studies show that high HDL levels lead to a lower risk of heart disease, stroke, and other conditions. 3. Provides choline. Choline is a nutrient most people are unaware of, although it is an essential nutrient. It is crucial for cytoplasmic membrane synthesis. It also plays a role in generating chemical signals in the brain. Choline deficiency can have devastating symptoms, but thankfully it is rare. Choline is abundant in whole eggs. Each boiled egg contains over 100 milligrams of choline. It's also an essential micronutrient that most people don't get enough of. Boiled eggs are one of the best dietary sources of choline. 4. An excellent source of vitamin D. Egg yolks are one of the few foods that naturally contain vitamin D. 2 hard-boiled eggs provide 82% of your daily intake of vitamin D, making them an excellent essential source of this vitamin. Vitamin D absorbs calcium and phosphorus. Therefore, vitamin D is essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Vitamin D also helps maintain muscle function and immunity. 5. Weight management. Boiled eggs are one of the best meal alternatives for weight loss. They are relatively low in calories and contain a lot of high-quality protein. In addition, high levels of satiety in eggs help increase feelings of satiety, reduce hunger, and reduce cravings for snacks between meals. This makes you less likely to eat an afternoon snack. Research shows that eating soft-boiled eggs will increase hormones that keep you full, maintain energy, boost your metabolism. Soft-boiled eggs are packed with high-quality protein. Because of this, they make an excellent addition to meals that promote weight loss. In addition, eating hard-boiled eggs can also help minimize glucose fluctuations. Because of this, it corrects eating habits and helps keep fit. 6. Omega-3 fatty acids. While fish is one of the most well-known sources of omega-3 fatty acids, hard-boiled eggs are an excellent source of healthy fats, especially for people who can't eat fish. Omega-3 fatty acids are a variety of polyunsaturated fatty acids. These fats play a key role in the functioning of cell membranes, from heart and brain health to eye protection. Because your body can only produce a certain amount of omega-3 fatty acids, it's important to get them from food sources. Boiled eggs are a fantastic edible source of omega-3 fatty acids. They provide 180 milligrams of omega-3 fatty acids per serving, 2 eggs. 7. Eye health. Vitamin A, vitamin E, and selenium are found in hard-boiled eggs. These compounds act as antioxidants, which are essential for maintaining eye health and restoring retinal function. In addition, selenium helps to prevent poor eyesight in young and old. The antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin are prominent in boiled eggs. They're potent antioxidants that build up in the eye's retina. Both of these compounds serve a preventative function. They help in the avoidance of eye ailments, such as cataracts. According to studies, these antioxidants are also better absorbed by the body from boiled eggs than from other plant sources. 8. Healthy aging. Eggs are an easy way for seniors to increase their nutrient intake. Thus, it helps to minimize the risk of various deficiencies and diseases. They also contain significant amounts of leucine, an amino acid essential for long-term muscle support, and choline, a lesser-known vitamin essential for brain function. But sometimes questions can arise. For example, if you eat hard-boiled eggs, which is best, half-boiled or cooked? In fact, both are healthy and do not cause any problems or side effects. But for those on a strict diet, only one thing is for the best. If you like the video, don't forget to press the like button and activate the subscription button on the channel.